Primary School, Super number 2, Standard 3. Today is 15 August and we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. On this day is 1947. India became independent from the British rule. I am proud to be an Indian. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it, and give my parents, teachers, and all Indians respect and treat. I love my country very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
अजून पुढील भाषण लगेच सुरू होत आहे, 1 मिनिटात लगेच.